guys, here's the finished product. My steamed fish is finished. Look at that. Nice and yummy. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna plate one onto my plate. Whoop. But look at that. I have me some sweet corn, the tough crackers. This is my dinner, guys. No need for rice or nothing else. Everything is right here. My pumpkin, carrot. Yeah, this is dinner served. Nice superfood. Steam snapper with all the superfoods. So let me know if you want me to do a fish fry with snapper, steamed fish, fried fish, roast fish, and escovitch. Very nice, guys. Okra. This is so good. Enjoying dinner tonight. Remember, comment and let me know if you want me to cook up some of this yummy food for you, okay? God bless.